Hey YouTube, I'm going to show y'all how I wash my old bundles in Frontal. I'm using Cream of Nature Argan Oil Shampoo. So first, I start with the frontal. I rinse and finger scrub most of the glue out of the frontal. This step is very important because you do not want to scrub and tear the lace. Next, I take the shampoo and pour it on top of the areas that still have glue residue. I take my scrubber and gently scrub the lace till it's clear of glue. Once all the glue is cleared, I rinse off the lace front. Next, I use a dime-sized amount of shampoo and I lather it into the frontal and set it to the side to soften any glue left on the hair. Next, I take a bundle and I soak it into water. Then I lather on a dime-sized amount of shampoo and I repeat this process with the rest of the bundles. If you have body wave hair, make sure that once you're done rinsing the hair, you scrunch up the bundle so that you can get your curl pattern back. Rinse off the bundles, drain them, and set them off to the side. Rinse off all of the shampoo off the frontal. You want to make sure that there's no glue residue left in between the hair strands or on the lace. Now, this step is optional. I take my Tresemme shampoo and I go over all of the bundles and the frontals with the Tresemme shampoo. Only because I want to have a clean, silky bundle. And using the conditioner with the shampoo is best recommended to get better results. You guys are going to tell when the hair is nice and clean because it's not going to be as stiff when you try and run your fingers through it. It's not going to be as tangled. Rinse out all of the shampoo very, very well because you do not want to have stiff bundles. So make sure that you rinse out all the shampoo extremely well and you drain most of the water out and prep it for conditioning. Repeat this step with all of my bundles, and I make sure that there is no soap left so that my hair is not stiff. I repeat, make sure you rinse out all the shampoo so the hair is not stiff. If you leave shampoo and mix it with conditioner, it's like a chemical reaction and it causes like frizzy ends and frizzy hair, and you want your hair to be silky and smooth. So make sure you do so. I place the stopper in the drain and I fill up the sink with lukewarm water. As the sink starts filling, I place each bundle and the frontal straight across the sink and allow the water to seep into the hair, and I place conditioner on top of it so that it can evenly spread throughout the water. I use the moisture rich conditioner because it is very moisturizing to the hair. You want to place moisture into the hair, which is going to give you that smooth, silky hair feel like when you get it out of the packaging and it's flowy and it's nice and pretty. As I was washing the hair, I boiled some hot water and I let it sit. And I'm going to place my deep treatment shea butter hair mask from Shea Moisture, and I'm going to place 2 scoops and whisk it into the water so that it dissolves. Once that dissolves, I'm going to place some of the moisture conditioner by Tresemme into the water, and I'm going to mix that in thoroughly. Next, you're going to want to strain and detangle your bundles and then place. I'm using a Deming brush, and you can get one of these from the beauty supply store, your local beauty supply store. And you can also get the Tresemme and the Shea Moisture from your drugstore or your local Walmart, which I got mine from Walmart. So don't go over the head and try to order it off of Amazon or do all of that. Like, you can use any Shea Moisture you choose. I just chose to use the Shea Butter because that's my preference. I just like it. So once that they are all rinsed and applied into the hot water, I clean out my sink and I get ready and prep for the next step. So I let the hair soak for 30 minutes and then I came back to it And I started pressing down the hair into the water to see if the hair would stick to the whisk. And if it sticks to the whisk, it needs more time to be settled into the water. But mine didn't stick to the whisk, so that means that it's ready. Since the water is still hot, you are going to want to pour cold water into the hot water. Please be careful so you do not burn your hand. Next, you're going to re-detangle your hair, each individual bundle and the frontal. And once completed, you're going to rinse out the hair, let it air dry for however long it takes to air dry. Comb or brush through the hair, and your hair should be silky, smooth, looking like it came straight out of the package when you first got it. And your frontal should be clean of any glue residue or whatever left that you have. Make sure that you thoroughly rinse out the conditioner with water like I did at the end of this video. And I hope y'all liked the video. Please enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys would like to see more videos, please comment down below and I'll post more videos of your liking. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and continue watching this video to see the final product.